Hello students, in this video we are going to see how to do a simple practical geometry, how to construct a tangent, how to draw a tangent to the circle. Okay, so let us first we have to draw when we do the practical geometry. First we have to read the question and we have to draw the rough diagram in the right side of your notebook. So here the given question is, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter, take a point P on this circle and draw a tangent at P. So first we have to draw a circle. So first in the rough diagram you no need to take any measurements, just draw the rough diagram in the right side. Okay. Diagram, see here I did not take any measurement, just I am drawing a circle, just I am drawing a small circle using the compass. The radius of the circle is, if it is P, we can take it as, we can take O as a center of a circle and P, the given point on the circle is P. So P is a point on the circle and the radius, this radius is 3 centimeter because the radius of the circle is 3 centimeter and tangent to the circle. So you know what is tangent of a circle. Tangent is a straight line which touches the circle exactly at one point. So this angle will be 90, T and T dash. So this is the rough diagram, very simple rough diagram, easily. So when you draw, even though it is rough diagram, when you draw the circle, use any circular object to draw the circle. It is good to use the compass. Okay. So then we will draw the fair diagram. So first we have to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. So first mark a point O. This is the center, the fixed point. So then take 3 centimeter in your compass and draw a circle. So here I have taken 3 centimeter and with O as a center we are drawing a circle. Okay. O as a center, we have drawn a circle of radius 3 centimeter and mark a point P on the circle, the given point. So I am marking it here. So this is the point P. Okay. So wherever you want to mark this point, they didn't mention, just they have given mark a point P on the circle. So we can mark here or you can mark here, you can do it here, wherever you want to do, you can do it on the circle. Okay. So this is the point on the circle, point P on the circle. So what is the radius? Radius is 3 centimeter. So whenever you are drawing the practical geometry, so you have to draw with the given measurements. அப்படியே வரைஞ்சு முடிச்ச உடனே அப்படி விட்டுற கூடாது. You have to write the name and you have to write the measurements. Okay. Then see here, next step is the key thing in this diagram. What I am going to do, take any measurements. No need, not necessary to take any fixed measurement. Take any measurements in this circle. See here what I am going to do. I am drawing like a semicircle. So for this semicircle, like a semicircle, this arc, you no need to take any measurement, just you can do with any measurements, you no need to take any specific measures. Okay, if you want to do it little small, you can reduce and do. If you want to big, you can do, no problem. Then from this intersecting point, with the same measurement, இங்க என்ன அளவு எடுத்தோமோ, so here the measurement what we have taken here, with the same measurement, இந்த அளவோட இங்க என்ன ஆர்க் கட் பண்ணிருக்கோமோ, with the same measurement I am cutting 2 arcs here, 1 and 2. Okay, just we are drawing and 1 and with the same measurement from this intersecting point 2. So if you want to give any name, M, L, L dash, if you want to give name, you can give. Okay, then with the same measurement or different measurement, no problem. So you cut an arc like this. See here, I will explain. First we will draw the circle, then we will mark the point P on the circle with in anywhere on the circle, then we will join OP. OP is the radius of a circle, which is 3 centimeter. Then take half or half more than the lines, the radius, not only the half or half more, any measurements we can take. Then cut an arc like a semicircle, then from this intersecting point cut one more arc, then from this point one more arc, then above this semicircle we are cutting like this. Okay, clear? For all these things the same measurement, that should be very, when we do this we have to be very careful, we should not change the measures. So for these 2 arcs we can take different measures, no problem, but it is good to do all these things with a single measurements. Okay, then this intersecting points is the T. What we have done here, நம்ம இங்க என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம் அப்படினா, just we are constructing a perpendicular, just we are constructing 90 degree for this OP. So we are constructing a perpendicular line to OP. Then from this T draw a straight line through OP. This angle must be 90. This angle must be 90. It will be perpendicular to the radius. The tangent will be perpendicular to the radius in that particular point. So that's all, very simple. That is T. If you want to give name, you can write it as T dash, as according to the rough diagram. A very simple diagram. Then after this, you have to write the steps of construction. Steps of construction. So when you write the steps of construction, don't memorize the steps of construction which are given in the textbook. Just you can write whatever you have done. So நீ என்னென்ன பண்ணீங்களோ அதை you can write it in your own sentence. So what are the, how we can write the steps of construction for this practical geometry? First, draw a rough diagram with given measures, the first step. Then the second step, mark a point O, and with O as a center, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Second point is over. Then third point, mark a point P on the circle, join OP, OP is the radius 3 centimeter. Then the next point, construct 90 degree at P by cutting the arcs, Then draw a straight line through T and P, through T and P to perpendicular to OP, okay, or draw PT perpendicular to OP. So the simple words, it is, I am just giving an example. So if you want to write it in different way, you can write, it's no problem, and nothing is going to be wrong, okay. So you can write by yourself any 5 steps, that's all. So very practical, not only for this practical geometry, all the practical geometry which are given in your textbook in 10th standard, எல்லாத்துக்குமே write minimum 5 steps, that's enough. No need to write like an essay, okay. Simple steps, simple 5 steps are enough. But the rough diagram and the fair diagram, that should be exactly correct, okay. Thank you.